Hey guys, hope you're doing alright. I just want to make this quick video to show you how one of our clients was able to generate over 48 appointments in their first 5 days working with us. And this client owns a credit repair business just like you. So I'm just doing this quick video because there's a lot of people that are skeptical and we've never seen kind of these results in the industry. But we've been in this industry for like over 5 years now, and we've got this down to a science. We know what ads works, we know what funnels to use, and we know all the copies that would convert credit clients. Same thing, if not even more. So this pretty much works, and that's why we have our guarantee that if you don't get 70 qualified prospects in your first 30 days, we give you your money back, plus we pay you whatever you spent on ads. So you literally have zero risk by working with us. But the most important part about all of this is we don't work with you just on your lead generation and getting appointments. We work with you also in sales, how to follow up with your leads, how to talk with your leads, scripts, and everything that you would need to use to close these successfully. So let me walk you through that right now. Okay, so this is our course that we give to all our clients completely for free. It's the Credit Warriors program. So here is what's inside this whole program. So we talk about the follow-up, we talk about voicemail drops, and how to actually not just work on the lead gen, but how to get referral partners to help you get more lead flow into your business and close as much as possible. We go high level, how to use it. We go over objection handling, this is a very important part, because most of people in credit repair or all the businesses, they miss this part totally. So when a client says, I don't have money or I'm not interested or whatever, they just let them go. But they don't know, it's just like a smoke screen. People are just lying to get off the phone with you. But if you handle this objection handling and get this training, you would know how to handle each of these obstacles and play and dance around them to get the close. All right. So now we also talk about how to optimize yourself, how to be consistent, how to have an abundance mindset, how to take full responsibility for your action, and how to be focused and get as much attention as possible, because people are so distracted right now. I know a lot of people that are trying to do multiple stuff, build multiple businesses, and at the end, they end up overwhelmed with zero results. If you want to build something and if you want to grow a business, you have to focus solely on that business, and your only goal is just to grow that business only. You can't be distracted, you can't play around, you can't be inconsistent. Otherwise, your competition and my clients will beat you every time. We also talk about relationships and how that can affect your business either positively or negatively, and how to remove bad relationships and create new and better relationships with other people. All right. So this is pretty much the whole course, and we're always adding to it every single time, and we're updating that for all our clients. So if you have any questions, just put them down on the comment below section. But if you own a credit repair business and you're doing above $5,000 a month and you're trying to grow that business within the next 90 days, we can offer you 70 qualified prospects in your first 30 days, or you get your full money back plus your ad spend. So you literally have no risk. If you're interested in that, I will leave a link below so you can book a call and talk to me or someone from my team to help you get there faster. All right, I appreciate you guys watching this video, and thank you.